how to use the Gazco infrared control system for your eBox or eStudio. This video will show you how to control your Gazco Fire using the handset provided. Using your handset, you can turn on your fire or stove and also adjust the flame height. This remote control operates via an infrared beam. To ensure the commands are successfully received, the handset must be pointed directly at the fire. To turn on your fire, press and hold the off and standby buttons for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This is a 2-button ignition safety feature, so it's virtually impossible to turn on the fire by mistake. The fire will ignite on the highest flame setting approximately 10 seconds after this. You must wait for the fire to beep in order for the command to register with the appliance and subsequently wait for it to carry out the command. This delay is necessary for the control system to carry out the built-in safety checks prior to igniting the appliance. To switch directly from the highest flame setting to the lowest, press and hold the low flame button until a beep is heard. The fire will then reset to the lowest flame setting. To switch back from the lowest flame to the highest flame, press and hold the high flame button until a beep is heard. The fire will then reset to the highest flame setting. You can also select a flame height which is between the highest and lowest settings. From the highest flame setting, press and hold the low flame button until a beep is heard, and then continue to hold down the button until the desired flame height is reached. The same can be done from the lowest flame setting with the high flame button. To turn off the fire but leave the pilot lit, press and hold the standby button once. To turn it off completely, press the off button once. To ignite the fire when the fire is in standby mode, press the high flame button on the handset until a beep is heard. The fire will ignite on the highest flame setting after approximately 10 seconds. The flame height can then be adjusted as mentioned earlier in the video. You can also use the touchpad to control your Gazco Fire. This is located on the lower left of the appliance, behind the decorative front. For advice on how to remove this section, please consult your instruction manual. To light the fire, press the on-off button. Once the fire is turned off, for your safety, you must wait 30 seconds before turning it back on. Controlling the flame height with the touchpad is done in exactly the same way as the handset. Press and hold high flame for the highest flame setting and low flame for the lowest flame setting. Pressing the standby button until a beep is heard on either the touchpad or the handset will turn off the main burner but leave the pilot running. This is called standby mode. To ignite the fire when the fire is in standby mode, press the high flame button on the touchpad until a beep is heard. The fire will ignite on the highest flame setting after approximately 10 seconds. The flame height can then be adjusted as mentioned earlier in the video. To completely turn off your fire, simply press the on-off button once. This video is supplementary to and should be watched in conjunction with the full instruction manual provided with your fire. You can download all of our instruction manuals by visiting the technical area of the Gazco website.